if you want to see pseudostratified lining epithelium using a lung section, all you have to do is look for a bronchiole. So this will be these structures, and you just have to focus on the lining epithelium here. So again, this is the lumen or the space. Let's use our 400x. So this is still 200x. Let's go until 400x to better see the features of your pseudostratified lining epithelium. So here, you can see since this is the lumen, your basement membrane should be somewhere here, and this would be your other type of tissue, which is your connective tissue. For the lining epithelium, it's here, okay? And these are your pseudostratified, this is your pseudostratified lining epithelium composed of epithelial cells, columnar cells. Some of them just rests on the basement membrane, while some of them reach the apical surface, right? So here you can see the apical projections or your cilia, which helps propel mucus out of the airways. And then here you can see that there are multiple layers of nuclei, which gives this epithelium a fake layered look.